2026 to 2027 Toyota Tacoma makes a powerful first impression by bringing together strength, confidence, and modern comfort in a way that immediately pulls viewers in. From the engine bay to the body design, everything feels purpose-built. Under the hood, the Tacoma delivers strong and reliable power that feels ready for hard work and adventure. With smooth acceleration and a confident response that works just as well on highways as it does on rough trails. Inside, the interior surprises with a blend of toughness and comfort, offering supportive seats, smart technology, and a layout that feels natural and easy to use. The exterior body looks bold and muscular, with sharp lines and a commanding stance that clearly shows this truck is built to handle challenges while still looking stylish in everyday life. Once on the road, the Tacoma feels solid and planted. The steering is direct, giving the driver a strong sense of control whether navigating city streets or winding back roads. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and uneven surfaces, making long drives more comfortable while still keeping the truck stable and composed. You can feel that this truck is engineered to take abuse without feeling rough or uncomfortable, which is a balance many trucks struggle to achieve. The interior continues to impress as you spend more time inside. The cabin is designed for drivers who actually use their trucks, with materials that feel durable yet refined. Buttons and controls are placed where your hands naturally fall, so you are never distracted while driving. The digital displays are clear and easy to read, providing useful information without overwhelming the driver. Technology feels helpful rather than complicated, making the Tacoma friendly even for those who prefer a simple driving experience. Space is another area where the Tacoma shines. The front seats offer plenty of room, and the driving position gives excellent visibility in all directions. Rear seating is comfortable enough for adults on shorter trips and perfect for kids or gear on longer journeys. Storage areas throughout the cabin are practical and well thought out, giving drivers places to keep tools, devices, and everyday items neatly organized. When it comes to performance, the Tacoma feels confident and capable. It accelerates smoothly, never feeling strained, and maintains stability even when carrying heavy loads or towing. Braking feels strong and predictable, adding to the sense of security behind the wheel. Whether driving through traffic, cruising on the highway, or heading off the beaten path, the Tacoma adapts easily and remains composed. That off-road capability has always been part of the Tacoma's identity, and the 2026 to 2027 model continues that tradition. The truck feels comfortable on dirt, gravel, and uneven terrain, maintaining traction and control in challenging conditions. Ground clearance and sturdy construction give drivers the confidence to explore without worrying about damaging the vehicle. This makes the Tacoma appealing not just as a work truck, but as a true adventure companion. The exterior design deserves special attention because it perfectly matches the truck's personality. The front end looks aggressive without being overdone, and the body lines flow in a way that highlights strength and durability. Lighting elements add a modern touch, making the Tacoma look just as good at night as it does during the day. It is a truck that stands out in a parking lot, but still feels timeless rather than trendy. Fuel efficiency is also carefully balanced with power. The Tacoma is designed to be practical for daily driving, helping owners save money while still enjoying strong performance. This makes it a realistic choice for people who need a truck every day, not just on weekends or job sites. Safety plays a quiet but important role in the Tacoma's appeal. The truck feels stable and predictable, giving drivers confidence in traffic and on long drives. Assistance features work smoothly in the background, supporting the driver without taking away control. This creates a sense of trust that is especially important for families and long-term ownership. What truly sets the 2026 to 2027 Toyota Tacoma apart is how complete it feels. It is not just a tough truck or a comfortable daily driver, but a combination of both. It handles work, travel, and adventure with the same level of confidence and reliability. Every detail, from the way the doors close to the way the engine responds, shows careful engineering and attention to real-world use. Living with the Tacoma day after day feels easy and rewarding. It starts reliably, drives smoothly, and adapts to whatever the day demands. Whether it is hauling equipment, commuting to work, or heading out for a weekend escape, the Tacoma feels ready and willing. Over time, it becomes more than just a vehicle. It becomes a trusted partner that fits naturally into your lifestyle. The 2026 to 2027 Toyota Tacoma proves that a mid-sized truck can still feel strong, modern, and comfortable without losing its rugged soul. It respects its heritage while moving forward with smarter design and better refinement. For drivers who want durability, versatility, and confidence in one package, this Tacoma delivers an experience that feels authentic, dependable, and built to last.